Hello, I am Shivansh Jhingan from Electro Heat Engineers. We basically design heating systems for corrugation machines. We are pioneers in this industry and we are working for corrugation machine manufacturers for last 25 years. We have multiple range of heating solutions like tubular heaters, zone heating systems, electric thermic oil heating systems, and gas heating systems. We also manufacture box drying machines to dry the boxes. For best quality heaters, you can always trust on us, and we have service engineers pan India to provide you service. We customize heating systems as per your requirement, and we are suppliers to all top machine manufacturers, whether they are Indian corrugation machine manufacturers or they are exporting machines from China.